Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for toctown.com. And today I am on the Express. I'm actually taking some time off to journal as well as study and set up my TN for the summer. So I wanted to share with you the final pieces that go into this standard TN, which I'll have the original setup linked in the card above. But just wanted to share with you these jump bands that I picked up from Amazon. Of course, if you want to pick some up for yourself, I'll link them down below. They come 5 to a set. I've already set up one in my TN and it fits perfect for my standard size. So of course, they come in different sizes. I don't know what the brand name is on this one, but because it's linked down below, it's the exact one that I purchased for this TN. So what I did was I went ahead and connected these last two inserts, which is graph. Picked it up from Amazon as well. And then I took it underneath all three of these other inserts as well as pockets, and then I linked it here after I pulled it through. So I hope that makes sense, because what happened was when I did it over, let me pick it up, when I did it over all of the other pieces that were in the middle, I didn't like the way the band looked afterwards. You may like that look, but I didn't care for it, so that's why I did it underneath. So if you can see right there, it pulls on it more a little bit, but for me it gives a nicer presentation. So okay, let me give you another quick flip through before the battery dies out on my Canon Vixa. That's one of the drawbacks of using this without being plugged in. It gives me about 5-10 minutes of video recording time, but that's okay. So let me take this out so it stops clinging against the desk. This I'll have linked down below for you, so I can take that out of the way. And of course, I mentioned I purchased this at a local art store, and I used the JetPens 2017 sticker pack in order to, dress it up a little bit. My love for travel was started by my mom and my dad, but mainly by my dad, because he's the one that did the driving every time we went out of town, or they sponsored a trip for me overseas. My dad was the one that engineered all of that. So this is sort of kind of an homage to him and thanking him for all of his work he did to expand my international as well as local understanding of what it means to travel. So then what I'm going to do for July is set up my calendar for my blogs that I'm going to do while on retreat. And then the weeks following, I don't know if you can see that, but the Hobonichi has Tomoe River paper, so it has a lot of shadowing. It doesn't bother me, but normally if you need to see something online, then I'll probably cover that back page up so that whatever needs to be seen on the forefront will stand out. And this goes from March, I think, of 2017 into April of 2019. Let me check to make sure. Yep, that's 2019. I'm acting like this thing is not going to run out of battery power. Yep, it runs into March 31st, 2019. So that's more than enough to cover the summer as well as the fall season as I get ready for season 9, where I do some more workshops and tutorials, but just dedicated to planners and journaling while on retreat. And it's full. So I find, despite it being a personal size, it has a lot of room, and it also has the grid pattern. In this version, pages are numbered, and it makes me want to write in it, on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis. So this definitely won't go to waste this summer. And what's next? Then I have this pocket, which I'm going to put money in there, but I have this page blotter so that when I write, I do put it on the page, because sometimes the gel inks tend to not only bleed, but they smear when you have to be on the run with your traveler's notebook. And then in the middle is where I put where I'm going to be writing on. Let's see, I'm out around town and just need to jot down some notes on what I need to post, as well as some equipment that I need to update for my summer staycations. Then I put the middle book here so it can lay flat. And on this side is going to host, cards, washi tape, have a flat pocket there. And then another insert, which I have more than enough for the summer season as well as into the fall. And last but not least, the Jet Pens pack had so many things. I'll show it to you in another video. But so many times we don't use what we have. So this is just a little pocket that I wanted to dress up the TN with. And I think I have another sticker in here too. See? I love dogs. So this is a perfect just TN for me to grab on the go. It's perfect in size. It doesn't make it feel like so small that I can't see or remember where I put things. It's definitely laid out the way I like it. So this is my setup for the summer, my standard TN. I do have a couple other TNs to go ahead and set up for the fall season, but I'll definitely keep you updated. Be sure to click the notification bell just to know when my next retreat post is up and ready. Take care. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist. Until we meet in person or online, be blessed.